Kishore Bhimani is going to be joining us in some time from our Kolkata. There he is. There. Kishore Bhimani, good evening. Gulu Ezekiel is author of Captain Cool, the MS Dhoni story. I don't know who's cool anymore today after this, Gulu. Bimal Soni is Deputy President of the Rajasthan Cricket Association. Sanjay Hegde is a senior advocate. He says respect his decision. He takes the very safe line. Respect his decision, cannot raise questions, etc., etc. It's the traditional politically correct way of thinking. And my first question is to Atul Vasan. What is wrong with us as a country, Atul? I mean, all the silliest question you can ask today is, was he a great cricketer? Of course he was. How great was he? Well, he was great. Does he compare to the greatest? Well, obviously he does. He's been Indian captain at the highest level for the longest time. No, was he the greatest test captain that India produced? Greatest cliche. Each time a test cricket captain retires, we'll ask the same silly question. And all of this on a day when the strangest thing has happened, Atul, that the Indian cricket captain has just walked off in the middle of a tour. The only question we can ask is how great he was. Why have we become so politically correct? What are we scared of? Not we, as in others.
Well, you've asked the right. Yeah, you're right. I think I must commend you that you have left out the remarkable career on the side, and we are coming to the question. And it was remarkable. I must say I'm the biggest fan of what he has achieved and what he has done in his career. But he could have, or rather we could have done without this blemish. You know, cricket has got its own ethos, moral tradition, you know. Nobody leaves. It's a team sport. If you were an individual Grand Slam winner and you just wake up one morning and you retire, nobody's going to question you. But when you've been appointed a captain, and since the afternoon I've been doing shows after shows, I've not heard many people ask this question.
Why?
And
why
I wonder
are they
why,
not
because
asking this question?
Singing, sonnets,
why are they not
sonnets,
asking the question, Atul?
What he has done. That is besides the point. What he did was wonderful, but why this? You know, I cannot
why
believe.
This? Why do you think he's quit like this? No, why do you think he's quit like this?
So
what is the reason?
To get. I just wonder, because you know, probably somebody pushed him over the tipping point.
Who is that somebody?
It's unlike him. He can't be. I mean, I would not like to think that it was what transpired in the last week or so, and he cannot be sensitive enough to feel that Virat is overshadowing him. You know, he's had his good times.
Are you sure of that? No, are you sure of that? Because one of the theories is that his retirement comes in the backdrop of unrest in the squad. Kishore Bhimani, at least let's talk Turkey on this channel. Let's be politically correct on others.
You know, it's not the first time.
Yeah, why is he? Yeah. Why is he? You know, there was a talk of unrest in the squad. There was a spat between Shikhar Dhawan and Virat Kohli during the second test match. Do you think that has something to do with it?
I can think over the last 40 years, I can think of a dozen instances where there have been much bigger spats under Kapil Dev, under Sunil Gavaskar, under Ganguly, under Azharuddin, under all the captains, including Nawab Pataudi. That doesn't mean a captain calls it quits. And secondly, Arnab, when this thing about Shikhar Dhawan and Virat Kohli was brought up, he used the word unrest. And later on, he withdrew his statement. Number one, that was a breach of protocol. He should not have mentioned it, and then he shouldn't have
Who shouldn't have mentioned it? No, who shouldn't have mentioned it?
He should have done it. No. Arnab, my point is that Dhoni should never have mentioned what happened in the dressing room. A captain cannot wash dirty linen in public. Number one, that was a breach of protocol.
So Virat Kohli was upset with him over that. No, Virat Kohli was upset with him over that. Let's go into details now, because people are calling, people want to know. Now, there was a spat. Dhoni decides to hand over the baton to Virat Kohli right after the incident, and not just leaves the captaincy. He says, I will not even play any more test cricket, which means Kishore Bhimani, he's saying, I will not step on the field with Virat Kohli as the captain. This happens in an incident where the next Indian cricket captain is involved in the dressing room. So, obviously there was something going...
No, one point I'd like to make here.
Right.
I would like to make a very strong point here.
Yeah.
First of all, it is not Dhoni's call whether Virat is ready for captaincy or not.
Exactly.
It is the call of the selectors, it's the call of the board, it's the call of the cricket people. It is not his call to appoint Virat captain. Not. If he feels uneasy, he can report to the board. He has breached the protocol of cricket in 3 occasions. If before the tour he felt uneasy, he had an injury, he had an exit. Why didn't he exit then? Why exit? Why leave a sinking ship?
No, I don't buy this. No, I don't buy this wear and tear. No, I don't buy the wear and tear argument. My body is going to get worn and torn. I mean, that's so utterly
Yeah,
silly,
totally.
is it, Gulu?
I think
Ezekiel?
body can hold
no,
up
no,
for
no, my
one more
body
week.
is going to be worn and torn if I play one more test match. I mean, Atul, what is this? They think we are foolish. You play
I think
one more.
that's actually rubbing it in. But you know, if he's lasted 9 years, he can last one more week. And you know, just there's a grace, there's an etiquette, and I think nothing can be so drastic that he took this. And I'm totally, flummoxed by it. I can't I can't put my finger on it. Even there was a spat, even he was overshadowed by Dhoni or Virat Kohli. It doesn't add up. Totally.
No, it doesn't add up.
and I think
what is the
it's
real
like-
reason? So we're down to two. There's one reason is the fight with Virat Kohli. That's one reason, Gulu Ezekiel. But the other reason people are also talking about is the IPL controversy, this conflict of interest angle, which was probed against him, left him, a little vulnerable. But despite that, he was not quitting. He wasn't, Gulu, that was not going to make him quit. Conflict of interest was not making him quit. So this is obviously something else. What do you think it is?
Well, Arnab, the thing is that in Indian cricket, it's all about smoke and mirrors. It's never everything is never very clear on the surface. So I think in the next couple of days we are going to see some revelations.
I'm
right
sure,
now it's a little early to speculate because it's just a few hours since he quit.
You've written a book on him.
But,
What do you think?
It's certainly unprecedented to quit midway through a series. One can understand if he has fitness problems, but I do feel that
Yes.
there is some hint that it is some way connected to the impending Supreme Court verdict. I do feel that is a
impending
connection.
Supreme Court verdict, as in what? The impending Supreme Court verdict in the IPL case?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, not only the conflict of interest, but also the fact that he went on record with what some speculators false information about Mayappan.
No.
All these things are piling
But
up.
he's
and I
gonna
think-
captain India in the World Cup.
But
The fact that he
what-
finished the
what-
first test match
Come
also
on.
was
No.
also
Atul
ostensibly
disagrees
on
with you.
fitness
Atul
grounds,
disagrees.
but
Atul
one is not
disagrees,
sure
and so
about
does.
that either.
No. What's it? My question
Yeah,
is.
he's our captain for the World Cup. So if he had to leave cricket and if he feels slighted or in spy, but he's leading the World Cup, Indian team in World Cup. And can you imagine the same team who were not taken into confidence is going to lead the same team into World Cup? I think this is a dark day for.
No, it's certainly a very dark day, and what makes it darker
And he left
actually
in a
is the
huff.
fact that
You
very few
leave
people are
your
asking
team
questions
down.
over it. We have gone into such deification of cricketer mode that the only silly question is that how great a cricketer was he? Sanjay Hegde, what do you think is the reason, and how can you take a stance that you must respect his decision, you cannot raise questions, etc.? I mean, I'm just curious.
When I was a kid, I used to listen to Vijay Merchant. He always said the same thing. Go when people ask why, and not when why not. Here you are still asking, why did he leave?
Yeah.
Why now? Why now is the question.
Let me put it this
Why
way.
today? Why today?
Yeah, sudden retirements are not unprecedented. You will remember that Adam Gilchrist decided the moment that he dropped a catch of Lakshman that he was going to retire. Steve Waugh hung along, but then he finally came to the conclusion that after all it's a game. So a performer knows when he is at his best, when he's past it, and when he just doesn't want to do it anymore. Of course, there are performers who pace themselves out. They say that, okay, now let me have a showcase farewell with bats waving, everybody crying and everything. But Dhoni is not that. Dhoni has not waited for his 5,000 runs, his 100th test match and all that. I think Dhoni
I think that's I think it's a fairly silly argument. Sorry, Sanjay. I'll tell you why it's a fairly silly. I'll tell you why it's a fairly silly argument. First of all, your starting premise is wrong. You're trying to say, oh my God, all of you are so worried and upset that he is retired that you're asking why is he retired and not why not. That's a wrong premise. Is that the question we are asking Bimal Soni, Atul Vasan? No. We are asking why now, why not after 1 week?
Yes.
You see, the chips are down.
Good question. Yeah.
Now his team. No, 1 sec. Atul, the fact is the team has won 1. But Bimal Soni, he's won 1, drawn 3.
Yeah.
And lost 6 matches.
Yeah.
In their last test matches played
No,
abroad.
doesn't matter.
I mean, as far as record is concerned, the man
Arnab-
has a hyper-pathetic record as a test captain of late. He has a pathetic record as a
It's not
test
the
captain.
first time he has lost abroad.
Arnab,
It's not the first time he struggled abroad.
I have one thing to
This
say.
cannot be a reason. You know, when you go to war, there's a saying, you never leave a man behind. And when you are captain designated for the whole series, you never leave a sinking ship. You've lost 2 matches. If he would have retired after winning 2 matches, I could have still actually understood.
No, this is-
You
this
know,
is-
but once you're there, you got to stick it out. And you know, how many cases, how many instances in world cricket will you think of when a captain has decided overnight that he's not going to even finish the series?
No, is this
Forget about
embarrassing
injury.
the country
It was
or not?
mental illness like
Is the-
psychotic?
I say it's
or
embarrassing
not.
the country.
You know, I can
The
understand.
country has been embarrassed by the way Dhoni
I
has
think
behaved.
it's just. I think if I can just assume or you know presume, I think he's just wanted to make a big show of his unhappiness with whatever
Yeah,
has happened.
it's
in the
an
last
ego
10 days.
issue.
Like Al Qaeda, nobody knew before they brought down the World Trade Towers. After that, everybody knew Al Qaeda. I think this is the World
this
Trade Towers for Dhoni. I think
Nothing, no.
No, watch it.
No way.
This is just an ego issue, is it,
Everybody
Bimal
knows
Soni? I mean, but if you want an ego issue, you want to wash your dirty linen in public, do it elsewhere. But you're embarrassing a whole country by choosing to get out midway, bail yourself out in this manner, right in the middle of a tour, Bimal Soni.
Arnab, there are 3 aspects to this. First of all, about a year back, Dhoni was seriously thinking of leaving one form of the game. He could have done it before the starting of this tour and he could have kept himself for the one-day series. His coming back after injury, after first test, his captaining of the side and then leaving in midway is not acceptable. It's something to do with, as you are rightly saying, this is chickening out in mid-series for a captain is not expected of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He's been a fighter, he's captain cool, he's been the longest tenure captain of India. I think there is something drastically wrong in the dressing room which has forced him to go. But by going, he has created a problem. He has not solved a problem. So I would say this is a very timid decision on part of Dhoni to have left the Indian team in between.
No, this
but
is
at the same time,
Bimal Soni,
we don't know
Mr.
inside
Soni,
what has
if this
gone
is
on.
if this is what
I'm
Dhoni
sure
has done,
this has nothing to do
what's
with
it, Mr.
IPL
Soni, Mr.
controversy.
Soni, why should we have a person who has insulted the country, humiliated the country abroad, left everybody looking flummoxed and unsure of themselves, left the team looking in tatters, a team whose chips are anyway down, and he gives a series of excuses and go underground. I say today, Kishore Bhimani, why should that man be my captain in the next World Cup?
No, but
What is Mr. Srinivasan's
Very
obligation
simple.
to that? Why
I'm
should he be
sorry.
the captain
Just look
in the
into
next
one
World
more
Cup
thing.
after what
I
he
would
has
like
done?
to answer
with
that,
a
Arnab.
person like 1 minute.
No, then you are
I
letting
would
him
like
set
to
the
answer
terms.
that. If-
Yes, Kishore
Arnab,
Bhimani.
I am very
Kishore Bhimani.
I would like, Mr. Soni, if I might answer this. If I were leading this board, or if this cricket control board was led by honest, upright, forthright people,
Yeah.
they would say, if you retire, if you are in tatters, if you are in a problem, you are out, finished.
Absolutely.
From any kind of game. Why should you choose your tour? Why should you say, I'll be World Cup captain, but I
Absolutely.
will not play the last test and leave the ship sinking?
Absolute.
Absolute nonsense.
How many of our viewers agree with
Kishore, I
Kishore
entirely
Bhimani
agree with
tonight?
you.
How many of you want coming to Bimal Soni? But let's get our people to give us our feedback. Now our hashtag is Dhoni Mystery, and using the hashtag Dhoni Mystery, my question to you on the news hour this evening is: how many of you agree with Kishore Bhimani's view that if this man finds himself physically incapable of leading the Indian Test side, and on top of it, the point which I said, that he has left the Indian team and the country humiliated by walking out in the middle of a tour when already India is getting hammered down under, then should he have the luxury of choosing whether he remains to be head of the Indian ODI side or the T20 side? Yes, Bimal Soni. Yes, Bimal Soni. Let's have a vote on that. Bimal Soni.
Arnab, first of all, I've been a manager. I know the role of the manager, and don't forget there's Ravi Shastri there, who's one of the directors there. So I think it should be thoroughly investigated why this has happened after this series, and then board should take a call. After all, Dhoni is
What
supposed
call?
to lead the squad in one day. So
What
I
call?
agree with Kishore. It should be reviewed.
No,
The
what
one-day
call?
squad.
What call?
So it should be reviewed. Pardon?
What call? Call on what? Whether he continues.
Hello?
Call on what?
Yes.
You're saying take a call on what?
That's what I said. Call on, because whether he continues as one-day captain. For that, report of the manager, Ravi Shastri, and other board officials is also
I'm sorry,
essential.
you're
And if
imagining.
there's
No, I'm
drastically
sorry,
wrong in
that's
the
a
dressing
private
room-
deal. I'm sorry, that's a private deal between Mr. Srinivasan and MSD. You think Mr. Srinivasan will touch him? Isn't he the Chennai Super Kings captain? That's the only brand value the man has left. I mean, if he tomorrow, Kishore Bhimani, doesn't N. Srinivasan know that the moment he's out, you know, as T20 captain and as World Cup captain, his brand value is dead. Srinivasan is a businessman. He's going to try and stretch Dhoni's brand value for at least a few more months, despite the humiliation that Dhoni has
India
heaped
cement
today on
shares
the
will
Indian
collapse.
cricket fan. Yes, Kishore Bhimani.
Well,
No,
I
no, no.
think that what you said is
Arnab, you are
absolutely
taking it
true.
the other side.
Today we are
Dhoni
forgetting
could have been
that
right
getting
also.
out of
Ravi
any...
Shastri there.
No,
yes,
wait
yes,
a minute.
Kishore Bhimani.
There have
come in?
been captains who have faced adversities before. I was on the tour in 1981 when Sunil Gavaskar, certainly a great leader, was going through a very bad time. India all out for 74 at Sydney against Greg Chappell's team. India suffering badly, getting out, getting bad decisions. He didn't quit. He didn't whinge. He didn't complain. He got his troops together. 3 injured players, Kapil Dev, Dilip Doshi and Shivlal Yadav. And with that lot, he went and won the test match at this same Melbourne. Now that was spirit. A captain is supposed to do that. Captain under adversity. Captain in any kind of
Oh,
problem.
yes, Sanjay
Not
Hegde,
run away.
Atul
I'm
Vasan.
sorry.
Yeah, can I
No, absolutely,
take
Sanjay.
the,
Yes, Sanjay Hegde.
see, listen, what would he have achieved had he hung on? He could have either won the test or he could have lost it. If he won, there was no great
Then what?
particular glory in it.
That's
if
what
he, if,
cricket
he-
is
if,
all
he-
about.
if, he
Doesn't
lo-
matter.
if he lost it,
It's
if he
besides the
lost
point.
it,
What are we talking
there were
about?
no. We are talking about what additional value could Dhoni have given to the team. What he has now given to the team is this:
Seeing his
that
team through.
he has seen that there is a successor. He has put the successor there, and he has walked off into the sunset, so that from now on,
I'm
the
sorry,
game
1
belongs
week.
to the successor.
1 week.
What are
1 week.
Come on.
Arre,
Arnab.
1
This
week.
is the
The
same
entire
thing.
international
This is
media,
the-
nobody knows.
this
The
is-
Indian Cricket Board
this
doesn't know.
is-
The captain
this
walks out.
is-
Everybody is trying to
Absolutely.
explain what happened. What are you talking about?
Absolutely. In corporations, in politics, everything is about succession planning.
Sir, the
If
succession
you
planning
have
has
a
been there. Does
successor-
that mean you need
if
to
you
embarrass
have a
both
this
your
is the
successor
planning.
and
When
the
you are appointed
organization?
captain
if you
for
have
4
a
matches
successor
and you
and
decide
you
and leave in
cannot
half after 3
contribute-
matches.
No, no,
Isn't
Atul
that
Vasan.
planning?
Atul Vasan. Yes, Atul.
Listen.
Yes, Atul. Yes, Atul. No, my.
Yeah. You know, I mean, this is succession planning. We know what succession planning is. And I must comment, Indian cricket, it's become very mature that we got designated captain. You know, Australia used to do it. Mark Taylor, Steve Waugh, Ricky Ponting, you knew who was going to be captain. Indian cricket always thrived on pitching 2-3 players together just for their power equations, you know. And for the first time, we knew who was going to be the captain. This is a wonderful place to be. But this one, you leave a team after 3 matches, you're appointed for 4 matches. Sorry, I think Dhoni has become a mortal today in my eyes, you know, and thank God we are not even talking about what he has achieved. What he has achieved is remarkable, you know, and we're not talking about that. It's this blemish. The tea and coffee served to me was perfect. Only in the end, I find this fly in it, which is leaving a bad taste.
No, one sec. What we are retiring to, what we are discussing today is not whether Dhoni has been a good cricketer. Of course, been a great cricketer, been a great test captain,
Yes.
and most successful test captain so far, though his recent record has been quite pathetic. He's had more victories than Saurav Ganguly. He's far ahead of Saurav Ganguly in that respect. It's great. Statistics work for him. His recent record is pathetic, but it doesn't take away from the fact he's on an overall scale
and
been
on
successful.
a lighter
one
side,
sec.
there is
No, no,
another
one sec.
conspiracy theory.
What conspiracy?
No, one
theory?
thing.
What
That
conspiracy?
he could have become the most losing captain, matching Nawab Pataudi's record of 19 test matches. He's lost 18 already. So if he would have lost the next one, he would have been, you know, the most losing captain.
Oh, yes, it is.
That's
You know,
on the lighter side.
absolutely, yes. Now, I'll tell you one more reason why this thing doesn't add up to me. I'm sorry if you expect conventional views only to be here about, you know, not asking questions. This is times now we'll ask the tough question. The fact is, I want to know whether this is being honest or dishonest. Suman C. Raman joins the debate. He's part of, he's a sports commentator. He firmly believes that, you know, you shouldn't be questioning why Dhoni retired. Respect his decision. We respect his decision, but it doesn't add up. Because, let me give you one reason. We've been talking of many, Sumant. If physical fitness was a major factor, then Dhoni, why did he return from injury to play only 2 tests? He should have made this decision while he was injured. You understand? So don't tell me this worn out body, I'm going to get tired, I'm preserving my body for the next World Cup, etc. Right? Second point.
Look, this is a man.
No, don't tell me this line. This is a man
Yeah,
who served Indian cricket, don't question him, etc. I know your line.
No.
Give me a new line.
Who's held the most high pressure job in
Helicopter
international
shot.
cricket? Extraordinarily.
Oh, for God's sake.
successfully for
No,
over
one
a
second.
decade,
What do you,
almost 7 years. Yeah.
Please don't give me this pity argument.
It's not
You are
physical, it could be
a
mental. Why
captain
do you
of
say
an
it's
Indian
physical?
team. You wait 1 week. Why do you want to embarrass the whole country? In the middle of a foreign tour.
1 minute.
You
1
just
minute.
walk out.
Why didn't the board-
Is this a joke?
Excuse me,
No,
Arnav,
Sumant.
1
In
minute.
the middle of a
Why
foreign
didn't the
tour,
board ask
you
him
say
to
thank
continue?
you. I've
Why
had
didn't the
enough.
board
Bye
ask him to
bye.
continue?
No, what's it, Sumant?
Why
In the
didn't
middle
board
of a
ask him to
foreign tour,
continue?
you
The
say
board
thank
asked
you.
Sachin
I've had
Tendulkar
enough.
to
Bye
continue
bye.
in 2000.
No,
1 minute. In the year 2000,
You tell
when
me-
Sachin Tendulkar
Okay.
resigned after the first test against South Africa. It is on record. The BCCI persuaded him to continue for 1 more test, which also India lost. So
No, but he
please don't
continued,
say
right?
that-
No, he continued, right? What is this
Of course, he was
unilateralism?
persuaded.
What is this
He
unilateralism?
was persuaded by the board. What did Mr. Sanjay Patel say today? We discussed it, and the board decided to respect his decision.
One
Nobody
second.
said the board asked him to continue. Why couldn't they have persuaded him to continue?
One second. Again, Sumant, you know, the BCCI secretary received a phone call from Dhoni. Dhoni says, I'm quitting.
Yes.
The BCCI secretary Sanjay Patel had no idea. He had no intimation. His retirement came as a surprise to the BCCI completely. Those details are with us. It is part of news
So what
agency
choices-
reports which
no,
has
there
come
are
out.
two
Which,
choices.
no.
There are two choices that
So
the
there's
BCCI
something
has.
else which happened.
Look,
No.
Dhoni still
First of all, do you
needs the
admit?
BCCI.
First of all,
Dhoni
do you
cannot
admit?
antagonize the BCCI.
Sumant, do
He's
you
still-
admit
he's
that
still
when
the ODI
something like
captain,
this
he's still
happens,
the
there is
T20
more than
captain.
meets the eye?
No, absolutely not. This man just had enough today. I mean, it happens
Really?
to all the cricketers. I've been
Really?
talking about this even earlier.
Really?
Adam
And
Gilchrist
okay, one second.
dropped
He had
the
enough
catch.
today.
has
He had
no
enough
clue that
today.
he's
Let
retiring.
me tell you
He
one
turns
second.
around to the slips
One
and
second.
says, "I'm
He had
quitting."
enough today. His body wore out today. Atul Vasan and Kishore Bhimani. This is a horrendous argument.
Not body. His mind just felt he had enough.
Oh, so his mind had enough. This is and the argument so
Absolutely. I mean,
horrendous.
he's been having
It
such
can
a high
only be
pressure
matched
job.
by the
Lord.
horrendous performance of the Test team in Australia. His sudden retirement can't be because I've had enough wear and tear. My body and my mind is tired, and I want to preserve what is left of my body and mind for the 2015 World Cup. Because have you seen the disastrous record that he's had as a
no.
Test captain outside Asia? Have you had a look at it? Have you had a
Of
look at
course.
it?
I mean,
Have
you
you had a
have to
look at the
look at-
win and loss ratio?
Of course.
Have you had a look at the win and loss ratio?
Look,
And Atul
a captain
Vasan is
as good
absolutely
as his
correct.
team.
It comes
A captain
close
is
to
as
Mansoor
good as
Ali
his
Khan
team.
Pataudi.
When you have a team, Arnav, when you have a team where not even 3 or 4 players are sure of their place in the next Test match, and you want the captain to go and pull off a miracle?
So why did he say in
How many
September,
of
I
these
don't
players
believe in
can hold their
deserting when the
place in the
chips are
team?
down?
I'll tell you.
A captain is as good
Atul
as his team.
Vasan, Kishore Bhimani,
Please give
Kishore
this
Bhimani,
team to any
Atul
other
Vasan.
I'll tell you what.
The tweets are increasing. 1 minute,
this
Kishore
is-
Bhimani will
this is,
respond to that.
Can I
Kishore
answer this?
Bhimani first, then
Arnav.
Atul Vasan.
Can I answer
Sumant,
this?
please.
Yeah,
I
I
know
would
you are a
like to just
believer,
very briefly
but please
answer Mr.
don't lose your
Sumant.
sense of natural
This
cynicism.
point is
Yes.
that we don't want him to win the series.
Yeah.
We don't want him to pull off miracles. We want him to
Yes.
continue with the protocol of the great game of cricket.
Oh, yes.
And continue what he has been
Exactly.
told to do.
Well said.
Don't tell us that he suddenly his mind, like a general who goes to the front and decides that my mind has had enough, so he tells his deputy, you take over the battle from now on, I'm leaving. I'm sorry, this is not cricket.
What has he
Absolutely.
gained by quitting? Mr. Bhimani, what has he gained by quitting? Here is a man who is 24 runs short
What
of
does he gain by
5,000 runs.
quitting?
He's
What
6
kind of a
dismissals
question
short
is
of
this?
300 dismissals.
Well,
He is 10
I don't
dismissals
know
short of
what he
100
gained,
Test
but he lost
What
a
has
lot.
he
His
gained by
place
quitting?
is not under threat. Excuse
He
me.
lost a lot.
Place
It doesn't
as
matter
far
what he
as
gained.
the series is concerned is not under threat.
Yes.
So what has he gained by quitting? Please tell me.
Let me tell you, somebody said the
And
mental
not everybody
weakness. I
does
think
things
the
for
pillars
gain. They
of
do
the
things
strength
out of
this
stupid
remarkable man
whimsicality.